Okay, class 11th. We had revised We Are Not Afraid to Die, and the first one had already been revised, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
And tell me, 11 commerce, which chapters you want me to upload once again?
And Portrait of Lady.
Portrait of a Lady, you have not understood it?
Ma'am, understood.
Then why to upload it once again? Rakshit? Rakshit has not joined? No, he has not.
No, ma'am.
Okay, now. So today we are going to revise King Tut, okay? I'll put up the questions, MCQs, and you will try to answer it. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Begin?
Yes.
Should I begin, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me, what was King Tutankhamun nickname? What was the nickname of King Tut? Okay. First option, president. Second one, boy king. And the third one, captain.
Ma'am, Boy King.
Boy King.
King. Okay. It was the
Boy.
nickname of King Tut or Tutankhamun, as he was known as. Now, who discovered his tomb in the Valley of the Kings? Who discovered his tomb in the Valley of the Kings?
Howard Carter.
Howard Carter. Very good. Akhil. Very good.
Howard Carter.
Everybody is listening? Listen to them.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, be
Yes, ma'am.
attentive. Now tell me, in which country or in what country can most of the treasures from the tomb be found today? Most of the treasures
Egypt.
they
Egypt.
are found
Egypt.
in which country?
Egypt.
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 Very good. Then tell me, when did King Tut die? At the age of 9, at the age of 10, at the age of 18, or at the age of 19?
18.
No,
Ma'am, at the age of 18.
at the age of 19, you know. Correct date as it was investigated, it was
Yes,
around 19 years, okay, when he died.
Okay,
Okay?
ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
When
ma'am.
was his tomb discovered? When was his tomb discovered?
1922.
Ma'am,
1922.
1922.
Very good. King Tut's original name was?
Tutankhamun.
Tutankhaten.
Yes,
Tutankhamun.
Tutankhamun.
Tutankhate.
Khate nahi, Tutankhamun. That was the original name of King Tut. The reason King Tut is so famous, why? He was the richest king. Let me give you the options. He was the richest king. His tomb had the most artifacts that had been discovered, and it teaches us a lot of things about Egypt and all. Third option, he is famous because of the Kurds. And the last option, it's strange because he died so young.
And last. He is
My
strange.
last
He
option
becomes
is strange.
Okay,
Strange because he dies earlier.
okay.
very early.
Very early he died. What is the meaning of Pharaoh in the Egyptian language? Who
I'm
must
Egyptian king.
Egyptian
I'm
kings.
Egyptian king.
Yes, very good, Akhilesh. Egyptian kings, they were given the name of pharaohs. Okay, and what was finally done by Zahi Awas to King Tut's mummy? What was
Ma'am, he
finally?
cut down the parts of King Tut's mummy because
Wrong, absolutely wrong.
Ma'am, repeat the question.
Yes. Yes, Gungun,
Yes, ma'am.
what will be the answer, Betul?
Repeat.
Please repeat the
Repeat
question.
the question.
What did Zahi Awas finally do with the King Tut's mummy?
Ma'am, he puts the King Tut's body into a CT scanner.
Very good. He took out the mummy from the tomb and put it into a city scanner to find out the mysteries. Okay? To solve out the mysteries of his death. This was the reason Divyansh Howard Carter had cut off the body parts of King Tut's mummy. And what was the reason? Why did he cut off the body parts?
Because it is stuck by resins.
Reasons,
Ma'am, it
you
is
know.
yes,
There
ma'am.
was a ritual when the body was
Yes, ma'am.
laid in the coffin. Okay, the ritual, the raisins were spread there at the bottom of the coffin. So similar was done by the funerary priest when King Tut's body it was laid down in the coffin box. But with the passage of time, the raisins got melted. Okay, and King Tut's body got stuck to it. Okay, what clarification was finally given by Howard Carter, beta, for cutting the body?
ma'am, Howard Carter clarifies that it is glittering goods with precious collars.
That was the clarification.
That if he will
How
not
did
to
he?
cut the body
How did he try to defend himself? How
that
did he
if
try
he
to?
will not cut the body and take it out, then the thieves will
Suppose yes.
stole it out and then cut it and stole all the gold.
As the tomb was already open now, there was no other option except cutting the body parts and taking them out, according to Howard Carter. Otherwise, the thieves would have circumvented the guards and they would have cut off the body parts and would have stolen all the precious jewelry that was on King Tut's body or that was on King Tut's mummy. समझ में आ गया?
Yes, ma'am.
सबको ध्यान आया? Okay. What happens when the city is scanning? Okay, what happens when the city scanning of this pharaoh begins, of this pharaoh, it begins, you know, what happens?
Ma'am,
It
the
created
fans
1700 digital X-ray images in cross-section.
1700 digital X-ray images.
Okay, but something happened that stopped the work for a while.
and the fans were not working because the sand was stuck to them.
Yes. Okay, when the city scanning it begins, what happened? The fans of the city scanner, it stopped working. Okay, and they have to bring substitute fans to continue with the city scanning, right? And because sand, it entered in a cooler fan. So one of the guard, he joked, but he was quite nervous when he joked. What were the superstitions these guards they have when the body or when mummy is being taken out from the tombs or from the burial chambers in Egypt? They have some superstitions. What are those superstitions?
Ma'am, that if anyone disturbs the king, and the curse was on them.
Ah, they believe that if anybody disturbs these kings from the resting places, the curse falls on that particular person. Okay. So on which date finally Howard, not this Zahi Abbas, he took out the mummy? Which was the date? What was the date of? What was the date, beta? Akhilesh?
Ma'am, 5 Jan.
5th January
Now I not
2005. Okay.
5.
And
Yes,
when he
ma'am.
was taken out, the dark bellied cloud, they started spreading in the desert sky and all.
Desert.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This valley, you know, it is known as the Valley of
Valley of Kings.
the Kings. Good. Very good. Now, can you tell me who was the ruler who came after Amenhotep III, who changed
Ma'am,
all
Amenhotep.
the old ways, who changed the worship of God, who changed his capital?
Amenhotep 4.
Amenhotep IV,
Amenhotep.
named as
Akhenaten.
Akhenaten,
He renamed himself as Akhenaten. Akhenaten
known
means,
now as Amarna.
okay, so he changed his capital from the old city of Thebes to the new city of Akhenaten. That is the
Akhenaten.
modern
Or
Amarna. It is known as modern Amarna now. Okay, and he started worship of which god?
Ma'am, Aten.
Aten, the sun god. He started worshipping, and the main god, you know, Amun, that was worshipped earlier. Okay, all the temples and the images, they were broken. They all were smashed, and it was considered as one of the most horrific period. Okay, and after Akhenaten's death, who succeeded?
Ma'am,
Samin Khan.
Tutankhaten.
Oh, Tutankhaten.
मैं वो बाद में था. Ma'am,
Who
Samin
came?
Khan.
Samin Kare.
Amen.
He appeared, but he was
Brief.
there only for a very short time.
Short
And then,
period of
Period.
time.
Yes, ma'am.
yes,
Then Tutankhamun.
Tutankhaten, he came to the
Tutankhaten.
throne, and a big controversy had happened on his death. Why? After he died, because he died at a very young age.
Early
at
age.
at the age of 19 years.
19.
He ruled only for 9 years. Okay,
9 years.
so when did he sit
Yes,
on
ma'am.
the throne? When did he sit on
10th.
the throne? He reigned, he ruled for only 9 years, and he died at the age of 19, beta.
Ma'am, 10.
10.
10 or 11. Maybe he might have died at the beginning of 19. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Or maybe when he was about to be got it. So
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
almost 10 or
Yes,
11
ma'am.
years old when he sat on the throne. Now, what did the CT scanning it reveal? What did it reveal? What did CT scanning reveal, Mahima?
His released bone and front strips are
Yes. Your voice is not clear, beta. What did it reveal? Akhilesh?
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
Mahima.
how did he die?
Yes, Sonali?
How did he die? And
It revealed it. So tell us the reasons. How did he die? What was the reason?
Ma'am, some parts of King Tut's body was missing, ma'am.
Finally, the report of the CT scanner that is there in the last
Ma'am, the
paras.
flesh.
Didn't I explain you a gray head, you know, it took shape from scattering of pixels. Nerve neck vertebra, it was very clear. And even other images could be seen, a hand, you know, views of the rib cage, transection of the skull. All these things means
Yes.
everything was very clearly visible. वो तो क्या हुआ था in the year when Howard Carter, you know, he had opened the tomb. उसके बाद when the mummy was being x-rayed, जब x-ray करा गया था ना, उस समय ये था कि उसके rib bones वगैरह मिस हो रहे थे, लेकिन ऐसा कुछ नहीं हुआ. ओके, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था. नो रिब्स बोन्स और नथिंग वाज मिसिंग, क्योंकि सिटी स्कैनिंग में एवरीथिंग वाज वेरी क्लियर. तो शायद उसकी डेथ का रीजन हो सकता है नेचुरल डेथ, क्या कहें हम, मे बी हार्ट अटैक. ओके, बिकॉज कोई डिजीज वगैरह, ही वाज नॉट सफरिंग फ्रॉम एनी डिजीजेस. क्लियर बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, he was not murdered, he did not drown in the water, right? So maybe due to,
Yes, ma'am.
yes, heart attack, he died. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
So the codes, you know very well the codes.
Yes.
How many chapters?
3, ma'am.
3
3
chapters,
chapters and
2 poems.
2
Poems.
poems.
2 poems.
2 poems. Okay, beta? ठीक है, enough for today.
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine, fine. Thank you, beta.
Thank
God
you,
bless
ma'am.
Thank you,
you,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless you all.